whatever you are doing the some
First,
jobs.
first I tell
So
you
every
that
person
why
know.
first I tell you that why Rahul Gandhi is losing his every election. Rahul Gandhi in every speech only use English word, only use. But Narendra Modi in his speech,
No, no, no.
all his
This 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 this
first,
is not a major
first
issue for the Rahul Gandhi speaking only every time. This is not a big issue for the in the Rahul Gandhi. That's why he
first
was
I
losing the his seat and whatever his government will not making. This is a not main point because public right now in Indian public is not liking to Rahul Gandhi to make as a prime minister because he is telling anything. Public is not care about for that, but he is telling sometimes a fact.
first
But in you came to the like
like my life.
Narendra
First,
Modi. Narendra Modi is speaking anything, whatever he are telling to right, whatever telling to wrong. But public is
but,
enjoying for that,
but Narendra Modi
and
is
that's why
so that the most of the people of the India can know Hindi very well. But
because
Rahul Gandhi
Narendra Modi also
speak in English all
Narendra Modi
not
is also
all of
trying.
India
Narendra Modi also speaking English. You don't think so? Narendra Modi is not speaking English. Narendra Modi also speaking English.
but in India he
But
can't.
right now public is liking to. But
But
right now
but
public is liking
but
to the Narendra Modi too much. So
but
that's
your
why the main
but
issue
your
for the
purpose
Rahul Gandhi is failing for the every election. Tell why
Rahul
you are
Gandhi is not
silent.
good for India.
Yeah, why you are silent? Tell something.
What? Hello.
Hello.
वीडियो ओपन कीजिए और वर्ड को बढ़ाइए। वीडियो ओपन कीजिए सब आदमी। प्रश्न अच्छा उठाए थे आप लोग। चलिए आगे बढ़ाइए। और राहुल जी और मोदी में कंपेरिजन कीजिए, दोनों आदमी के अभी देश के लिए क्या चाहिए। सत्यम कुमार जी और इन आदमी बात कीजिए थोड़ा, और फ्यूचर प्लान।
Right now, Narendra Modi is very good leaders because some
फ्यूचर
work is
प्लान
done
इज
very well.
देखिए, first I tell that
But
Rahul.
some people are not happy for Narendra Modi PM. But there are many issues not going good for a student career.
Some people are not happy with Narendra Modi,
Students are not liking good PM Narendra Modi.
some people are not happy with Narendra Modi,
No, no, no.
but many people are happy
This is
with
your
Narendra Modi.
this is your thing. Ki Narendra Modi is a good leader, but I think Narendra Modi is not a good leader.
Give me
So not doing for any student
give me one reason
anything.
that why Narendra Modi is not good for India.
You so not giving the much vacancy like a student like r- any department. So
So
this is the major issue. What need for a
this is
student?
the major issue for our Congress Raj and BJP Raj. Now tell second reason.
No, I am not asking you. I am asking only a
Uh,
student career.
you are also a student and
He is
your
not
career
he is not giving more
career is set
vacancy like
only
any field,
20 years.
any like IT industry. Have you any IT industry in Bihar? No, no. So what
Because,
happened?
because Bihari culture is very good. You know.
This is not
this
like for
this
Narendra.
this this is a not is a prime minister came to Bihar because this is a role for the our Bihar prime minister came to and bring the IT sector in Bihar. This is not prime minister because prime minister is everywhere same. So main issue is a Bihar
But
CM. So Bihar CM is don't
yeah, I
prime
got
minister
it.
how.
But
So every CM wants to improve the his estate, and everywhere he prime minister is looking how is possible because he has lots of work. Sometimes you know now you are working in the one department and
but
you are
PM the
working
all
in the sense.
but PM all state
But this
no
is
now which state population are
but prime
more.
yeah this, I also got your point because major issue is prime minister looking only how many budget will give him to every state and their prime minister want to how much I will improve the our state. So this is every CM responsibility, not the prime minister responsibility. Prime minister
Okay.
responsibility is how to secure the our borders like the Pakistan, Bangladesh, and China. So this is a main issue
Okay.
and how to communicate about main prime minister issue is communicating the like the each other relationship like the US Canada, everything. So this is the main work for the Prime Minister.
Okay. Then Satyam, tell anything.
I have no words about the chamche of Congress.
This is also not good point. You are not this good behaviors. Whatever every people are liking some leaders. So you are liking some, I am liking some, but you are not tell in front of any people you are chamche. This is also not good for Satyam. So
Because
you can improve this thing.
because the supporter of Congress tell BJP supporter andhbhakt. So supporter of BJP also
I am not supporter. I am not supporter for Congress. I am supporter RJD. So you can tell RJD, then I will happy. Otherwise, not like also I don't also like to the Congress. I know the Congress is also doing too much in the past times. So this is government is not good. Congress is also not good. That's why the public to came and then vote for the Modi. That's why the Modi came. If Modi will not do good job, then Modi will be go someday. Okay, too much conversation today. Every day we'll talking. Every people will improve the communications and go everywhere.
कार्यक्रम को अब ये हम समाप्त करेंगे। सबसे पहली बात तो समझ लीजिए कि राहुल गांधी का उम्र अभी मात्र 55 साल है और मोदी जी का उम्र हो गया है 75 साल। 20 साल
I
ज्यादा का
got your
एक्सपीरियंस।
point, but 85, 75% and 55%. So you can give the youngster. You can give chance youngster.
because youngest mind in his foot.
No. I forget one point. I not remember right now.
तो 20 साल का एक्सपीरियंस मोदी जी के पास ज्यादा है, इसीलिए अभी मोदी जी को अभी भारत में बहुत
लेकिन
जरूरी है।
आप यंगस्टर को चांस देना चाहिए। यंगस्टर को चांस देना चाहिए।
यंगस्टर
अभी मोदी जी को इस देश की जरूरत है, इसलिए कि अभी उनका प्लानिंग चल रहा है देश के अंदर। देश करेंसी की आवश्यकता है यहाँ।
अभी तो उनका एज तो अब समाप्त होने वाला है ना, 75 का हो चुके हैं।
75, इसीलिए 20 साल ज्यादा का एक्सपीरियंस है। अभी कोई नया प्रधानमंत्री बनेगा तो इससे ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस अभी इन लोगों का है। तो इसमें चलिए अभी फिर कल इस मुद्दा पर हम लोग बात करेंगे। अभी सत्यम जी के करियर का सवाल है। 27
ठीक है
का
सत्यम,
एग्जाम है
ऑल द बेस्ट।
और
गो फॉर स्टडी।
कल मनीष जी को जोड़ेंगे इसी लिंक पर। कल 5:30 से मेरा ऑनलाइन शिविर चलेगा।
आप सुनो
तो सभी लोग इसमें जुड़ेंगे अपना और जो अपना साथी हो सबको जोड़ने का प्रयास करेंगे। ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू।
ऑल द बेस्ट।
आता जे भाई
चलो सत्यम साहब, आपका कन्वर्सेशन समाप्त भेल। अब वहां पढ़ाई पर जाओ, ध्यान दियो।
हम कहै छु सुनू ने आप जेबै
कहियो
आ एबे करबन के एबे हां
आई केम 3rd February।
सुन चोर बाजार जेबै कि नै गांव में।
I have no time because man
काम पर अहाँ क्या बजे जाइ छियै?
हम काम पर जाइ छी सुबह के, मतलब हमर नाइट शिफ्ट चलै छै ना, तो मतलब रात के 12 बजे से सुबह के 8 बजे तक। तब फिर दिन में नहीं सुतबै तो फिर रात के नींद लगे छै, आ नींद ऑफिस में सुता नहीं दै छै ना।
सुबह के 8 बजे तक
ना करबै ना
सुन न कहै छु
अतः से दू मतलब 3 घंटा लग जाइ छै दिल्ली जेना, 3 घंटा एना, तो मतलब सोचियो 6 घंटा। और सोचने रहिए जेबै, लेकिन आज 26 जनवरी छलै ना, जे लड़का के कहने रही ना मतलब जाइला, तो वो मतलब आइ नहीं गेले, मतलब कहलकै चलो दूसरा दिन चलते।
हे सुन अहाँ कहियो लेकिन जायब, आबै से पहिले कहियो जायब और देखबै कथी कथी सस्ता मिलै छै एठिन। अब मिलत त से नीक से लइए लेब अहाँ। जायब लेकिन
ठीक छै।
अहाँके हम फोटो भेज दू 5-6 गो चीज के, उ अगर देखबै उ सस्ता में मिलत ने त ल लेबै सस्ता में। और 300-400 के अंदर में द देलिए 500 तक तब ल लेब। ठीक भेज दै छी फोटो हम अहाँके।
एडमिट कार्ड देलक?
नहीं देते अब एग्जाम के बाद करना।
एग्जाम के बाद? एग्जाम चले है?
एग्जाम कहाँ चले चलते 29 तारीख से।
कतो सेंटर देलक है?
प्री बोर्ड है, प्री बोर्ड स्कूले में।
स्कूल में प्री बोर्ड है तो यहाँ में रिजल्ट है जात?
हाँ रिजल्ट
तन तो चीटिंग चलती है।
प्री बोर्ड है तो स्कूल
चीटिंग चलती
लेकिन
चीटिंग है
हुआ दियो ना ऐसे कुछ मतलब छे।
स्कूल में है तन तो चीटिंग बढ़िया चल।
करबै चीटिंग प्री बोर्ड में, रुकू ना, प्री बोर्ड के मार्क से कथी होइ छै?
राइटिंग बना के लिखबै, जे अभी किछु आंसर करबै ना राइटिंग 1 नंबर दै छै।